Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is nothing. I feel I was supposed to go to an event, but I had an allergy attack. I stayed home, so that sucks. Things happened, had a fight with JM, and I wanted to run. It is raining, so can't do that. I wanted to exercise, but I was too lazy to exercise. Alam mo yun, parang naisip ko na lahat ng gusto kong gawin para maging okay. I'm gonna try to put makeup on. I'm gonna put makeup on just because I feel like putting makeup on. Wala naman talaga akong lakad or what. I just wanna put makeup on. I feel like it's therapy, you know? I'm gonna start with Luxe Organix Hydro Firming Mist with collagen and hyaluronic acid. Perfect for all skin types. I'm gonna use this as parang toner na rin or primer. This was sent to me with a couple of other products about a month ago, and natry ko na to siguro once or twice. Normally, maglalagay ako ng tinted sunscreen from Bello, but because I'm not going anywhere, I'm just staying home, I'm gonna go straight to foundation. My current favorite is Makeup Forever's Reboot foundation. This is like skincare and foundation in a bottle. It brightens your skin, it smooths your skin, firms it up, and hydrates and evens out discoloration. Isang pump lang usually ginagamit ko. It's kind of liquidy. Hindi siya talaga kasi full coverage. I like the scent of this foundation. It smells so fresh and so light. Also today I have two pimples. One here, that bump you see, that's a pimple trying to grow out of my skin. But yeah. I'll use a sponge. This one's from Miss Bella PH. Miss Bella. I just recently opened this kasi Chandler, one of my fur babies, pag nakikita niya yung bag ko, parang automatic, titingnan niya na agad yung laman. And then whatever she sees na pwede niyang ngat-ngatin, she gets. Parang nakailang sponge na siya na nakain. Look at that. Nakikita mo yung shine. Ang ganda, diba? Parang it's so natural looking, but there is coverage. Tingnan mo, hindi na ganun kalala yung eye bags ko. Just ang smooth. Gusto ko yung shine na hindi siya mukhang oily, but it just looks healthy. Just one layer is enough. If you feel extra, you're always free to add layers. I'm gonna add a bit here. You know what's weird about this pimple? This one. It's always the same area. Always the same area. Is there something wrong with my pore? Feeling ko magkakaroon na ako. I usually break out pag magkakaroon na, and I get moody too.
There is really a treatment for PMS. If you're suffering from PMS symptoms, don't suffer in silence. Come to your doctor because you don't have to live like that.
Too much info. This is the finish of the skin. I love it. It almost gives that glass skin. I love the coverage for me. It's perfect for every day. Gusto ko yung ganyan lang yung finish. Ayoko nang talagang plakado. I'm not that type of foundation person. Alam Nikki tutorials na talagang gusto niya, no pores na. I still want my pores. I still want my skin to peek through. So this is the perfect foundation for me. Alright, let's move on to the brows. Ilalapit ko na kayo sa mata ko. I'll be using Colorette's brow pencil. This is their gray pencil. Gusto ko yung dark brows. You guys know that. And I don't like warm colors on my brows. Kaya perfecto kasi it's gray. I haven't been grooming my brows, by the way. I don't know if you guys noticed. So marami na akong stray hair over here, but I like it. Now I have brows on this side and none here. This brow is lower than this. So hindi na ako nagdadagdag sa baba masyado. The powder I use is from Wet n Wild. It's their ultimate brow kit. Gamit na. Sira na nga eh. I don't use the wax often. Ano lang yun, nasabit lang talaga sa takip. Use a combination of these two shades. I have this brow brush. I kind of miss the brow brush from Marionette, the cheap one. Parang 149 pesos lang ata yun dati. Wala na siya ngayon sa Watsons. So wherever I put pencil, dun lang din ako naglalagay ng brow powder. I don't put a lot of product here. So hanggang dito lang talaga ako nagbo-brush. Tapos, I just soften this area. Even if I like my brows really dark, I don't want this area to be super dark kasi magmumukha akong galit. One trick I like to do is I just smooch the sponge I used sa dulo ng brows para... Oh, nabura ko. Ba yan? Nabura ko. Just add a bit more over here. Kasi nga nabura ko siya. I have been talking about this product in my IG stories a lot. It is Skin Station's Dermax Professional Lash and Brow Maximizer. This is how it looks. It has a part for the brows, yung merong mascara, tas meron ding parang lip brush type for the lashes. So I've been using this for I think about 2 or 3 weeks now. I don't know if you see it, but those are my, like, syempre kailangan ko i-ganon, diba? Kasi makikita niyo yung background. These are my lashes without any lash product. I get some of the product, just enough. I smooch it right here on the roots of my lashes. Now you can use this before sleeping and in the morning before you go to work, go to school, do whatever. So I just put that there. I forgot to show you, but I did use a brow mascara for my brows. So what I like about this is there's no stinging. Walang masakit whatsoever. Kasi nakagamit na ako ng mga ibang serums before and it was stingy. Masakit. Mahapdi siya, diba? This one, I don't feel anything at all. While that is drying up, I'm gonna powder the rest of my face. Just on the areas where I want to look matte, which is just under the eyes, on the nose, and the forehead. Hello Flawless Benefit in the shade Petal. It has SPF 15. I was thinking, since I have cherry pink hair, almost red, I was thinking of what color would contrast with red, and so I thought of blue or green, but then I decided to go with green. Para mala poison ivy Christmas. It is September 1st after all, and may mga muse na ako sa Marichan. Sobrang tawang-tawa ako dun. I was going through my eyeshadow palettes and I saw that I have one from Jazzy France. It's the palette by 3. And I really love that there is green. I used to have green in my eyeshadow palette collection. Kaya lang tinapon ko na kasi I think expired na. It's from Sleek Makeup. So I don't have that anymore, but I have this. And I haven't tried it yet. It'd be perfect para rin siyang review. First palette I'll be using is Pixi by Petra. This is Natural Beauty. I'll go with this shade. So this is Deep Taupe and Soft Brown. I don't remember where I got this, but it's a fluffy brush. So soft taupe. Put that all over. Like so. Kung kilala niyo ako, nabubuhay ako sa isang brush lang. Contact lenses are from Executive Optical in the shade Slate Gray. Kasi for sure, maraming magtatanong sa inyo. Pwede na itong pang Christmas na makeup look. Di ba super advanced? September na kasi. And you know how it is here in the Philippines when it's September 1st, that's when all the Christmas songs start playing. JM and I were at SM Home kasi bumili kami ng scented candles. Ang galing. They were setting up for Christmas. So that was fun. I'm gonna go in with FS. I think you can buy single eyeshadows. This is Mineral Kohl. This is Coffee Arabica, Beach Sand, and Glamour Peach. Dip my brush just once. Just once. Ang corny ko. I want it to be contrasting. Syempre, kasi pag yung green tinabi mo sa brown or sa red, mas magpop-up siya. That is the goal. Rule of thumb for me, to create smoky eyes, whatever color you put at the top, you also have to put at the bottom. I don't know the shade of it. It doesn't have shade color sa likod. It's a very pretty green. I'm gonna try first using just my fingers. It's gonna work better with fingers kesa brush. Ang ganda. To intensify my green, I'll be using the same primer I used. Okay, I'll dip my finger on the palette. I was right. It just packs on the product better. This palette comes with an applicator. I will just smoothen out the areas. Now this is the time I'll be using the applicator because I will go in sa ilalim. This could be your Christmas makeup look, you know. For that glitter, I'll be using Lustrous. Super dumi na, sorry. I will probably use this shade. Gusto ko siya eh. May pagka, alam mo, hindi ko ma-explain. Teka. Yan no. Para siyang may pagka purpley na silver with some like green or blue-green pigments. I really love that. So I'll be putting it just on top of my green lids. Oh, diba? Ang ganda niya. I'll just put that here. You see how it upgrades the makeup look? Good. So sparkly, matte. To add a bit more of color, I'll be using Makeup Forever's Aquamatic. It's their liner, and I'll be using this in blue. Ganda. Isang swipe lang, meron agad payoff. So I'll be adding it right here on my waterline. Ang cute oh. Just here. I'm gonna line using Bilena's Better Than Basic eyeliner. Ang ganda na pagka-black niya because it really is black. See? I think iuwing ko na siya kasi nakagawa na ako. The lid space on my right eye is less than the other. Hindi ko kakapalan yung dito. So, ganyan lang. And then, kakapalan ko yung kabila kasi this has more space para pantay sila. Parang gusto ko dugtungan ng parang cat eye talaga. So, baka lagyan ko ng black yung loob. You see the difference? Sobrang parang na-elongate agad yung mata just by adding that tiny bit. Tapos sa lashes, I'll be using Bohktok in 3D. It's been my current favorite. Paulit-ulit na yung lashes ko. 3D04. I'm gonna go over with Hello Flawless powder again, just to clean what's under my eyes. Tapos gusto ko siya kasi meron siya agad parang brightening effect. You see that? Since I have a strong eye makeup look and I have red hair, I'm gonna keep my blush peachy. So I'm gonna use something from Sunniesface. Gamitin ko sana peach but I can't find it. So Sunniesface Biscuit na lang. And just to give me a bit of color. I like Sunniesface kasi parang meron na siya agad highlight. I don't highly recommend this for those with oily skin because this product tends to oil up as time passes. My favorite contour is from There's Makeup Forever. Makeup Factory. Congratulations! This is from Makeup Factory. It's my favorite contour of all time. So just around the face here. Kind of just concentrate the color here. And then tsaka ko siya biniblend pababa. See? Payat na agad mukha ko. I'm gonna contour my nose, but this time I'll use a brush. I always use my fingers to do that. I'll use a brush today for a change. I'll be using this brush from Miss Bella PH. Tapos agad na ilong ko. I like to leave my contour for a bit so that para siyang nabibake. I'm gonna try this product from Revlon. It's their plumping. It's their Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. Congratulations! And I'm gonna go for the nude one. I have two. Probably give this one away to you guys. You see it? Para lang siyang lip gloss talaga. So yes, I will need to put lipstick on first. I'll probably go with my current favorite. It's from BLK. This is Latte. And then this one. Whatever you heard, that was my bag. Daming laman ng bag ko. So that is Latte. I want to put a little bit of Maybelline Pioneer just in the middle. Hindi ko talaga kayang hindi mag-ombre ng lips. I don't know why. It's just, I can't. Diyan lang. Ganda, diba? I love this combination. Ito na. Lip plumper. So I'm gonna put that there, but I will not smudge it. Wow! Ang ganda. I love it. Ang laki ng bibig ko. Nice. Okay, I'll zoom you out. Now it's time to blend the contour. It's been enough time. Parang gusto ko dagdagan yung brows ko. Kasi sobrang dark ng shadow. Parang hindi ko makita yung brows ko. Before I forget, I'm gonna coat my lower lashes with mascara. This is Benefit Roller Lash. Grabe, kitang-kita ko na agad yung lower lashes ko. I swear to you guys, Skin Station's Dermax Lash and Brow Volumizer is the bomb. Now, whatever is left from the mascara wand, I put it sa dulo ng brows ko. So you see that? I'm just gonna coat that with whatever's left. You could see the immediate effect it does to the brows. Last, I'm gonna use Neon Green as the color for my inner corners.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave me.
This is it for my 0 to okay lang makeup look. I do feel a bit better. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for sitting through. If you have any video requests, please leave them in the comment section below. I really appreciate those of you guys who just bothered to drop a message. That really makes my day. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching, and you stay weird.